magic happens. The magic happens, that's where the magic's made, baby. Hey everybody, Tim here from the Lancaster Smokehouse, and on this week's video for our YouTube channel, we decided to change it up a little bit. We always get questions, people wanting to see the behind the scenes of the restaurant, they want to see the smoker, they want to see where the magic happens. So let's check it out. First stop, we're gonna go take a look at our Southern Pride smoker. Alright guys, so this is the Southern Pride 1400. This is one of our two smokers, and this is where everything comes from. Pork, brisket, ribs, sausage, chicken, all the good stuff comes right out of this guy right here. We just took pork and brisket off for the night, and we're about to load it up with ribs and chicken for the day. It is a rotisserie smoker, holds 1,400 pounds of meat, hence the name Southern Pride 1400. It is thermostat controlled, which means that we don't have to have somebody sitting here watching it all night. It's electronically monitored. Propane ignition to keep the fire burning, whether it needs to drop down in temperature or come up in temperature, depending on how hot the smoker is. So it really does a great job of regulating and maintaining itself. Helps in getting a really consistent, fantastic, and even product. All right, so I just turned the smoker on. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna go outside, we're gonna load it up with wood. You're gonna see the flame, and you're gonna see how we burn real whole logs. And let's go outside and load this puppy. All right guys, so we're outside of our Southern Pride 1400 smoker. We are gonna empty out the ash from last night's burn from our pork and our brisket that we cook overnight. A little oxygen could spark a bit of a fire, so you gotta cover it up and smother it. Let's go load up this Southern Pride 1400 with our hickory that we're gonna burn for the day. And we're gonna get it from over here, our top secret hiding space. Shout out to Furtado Farms, our buddy Jeff over there. Started his business with us, selling us wood at Hogtails probably about 10 years ago. And now you see his stuff all over the place. It sells pellets and chips and all that good stuff. But we're old school here and we use whole logs, whole split logs, just so they can fit inside our smoker. I'm gonna throw about 3 to 4 good pieces in. This is a doozy, so maybe we'll just do these 3. So we've loaded up our smoker, place our wood. You wanna make sure you don't get it too close to the element or you're gonna have a really intense initial burn. That can lead to some dirty smoke, which can lead to some bitter barbecue. You also don't want to place it too far away from the heat element. Otherwise, you might not get enough smoky flavor at all, and also the smoker then will have a little more trouble kind of regularly maintaining a consistent temperature. So we've got her all loaded up. Let's close her and start smoking. Now let's go check out our service kitchen, which is where we actually execute and plate and get our food out to our customers. So let's go. All right, so this is where the magic happens, everybody. This is where we slice your brisket to order, where we grill your chicken, we grill your ribs, we make our mac and cheese and our baked beans and collard greens. This is where we pump out 700 plates in a day. So we serve a lot of food out of this little kitchen. Here we're at the second little stage of our kitchen, the fryer line. This is where we do all of our fried food, fried chicken, french fries, all that delicious stuff, tater tots, my favorite. Not much space. You can only fit about 2 people in here. So for everybody mad about our onion rings not being on the menu anymore, now you can see why. All right, so that was our kitchen. So let's head over to the expediting station over here. And this is where we like to say the front of house meets the back of house. Plates go up here. We have an expediter managing where they're going. Servers and food runners run them out into the dining room. Now let's go check out upstairs our beautiful banquet hall. When you come in, these stairs here lead you right down into the basement. Promise me you'll never go down there. So here you have it. This is our banquet room. You might recognize the front there. That's where me and my friend Donnie have been shooting a lot of these cooking video tutorials because it wasn't being used for a long time from COVID, but now we're starting to get events and we've got some coming up soon. So we had to tidy that up. So a lot of the videos you'll be seeing in the future are from my house. Host your next anniversary party, your wedding, surprise party, birthday party. We got a fully stocked nice bar. We got bathrooms. We got lights. Our beautiful room here, we have capacity for up to 100 people. If you're interested in booking an event here at the Smokehouse in the Lanc Loft, give our catering manager Neil a call or an email. All of his information is online on our website. That's the Lanc Loft, perfect for your next event. Now let's go downstairs, walk through the dining room, and check out our new beautiful patio. All right, and this should look familiar to all you guys. Our dining room, safely distanced, plexiglass dividers. Let's go check out our new and exciting, beautiful patio. All right, so here we are. Smokehouse patio. You can see new distance tables, tons of sun, lots of shade. We got live music here. It's a great place to come and have a drink. All right, and there you have it, guys. A VIP tour of the Smokehouse. You got to see the smoker and the kitchen, and that's where the magic happens, and that's where we serve KW and surrounding areas and all of our awesome customers, and that's how we get it done. Cheers.